Hello friends, welcome you all to your favorite channel All in School. Friends, you have got the task to registration in Fit India website. Fit India website I will give you the proper guide how you can able to registration your school in Fit India website. And I will give you the and I will guide you the step by steps, and I will suggest you what options you have to choose to registration your school in Fit India website. Friends, let's start the video. Friends, I request you please subscribe my channel to support me to give you like this type of videos in your notification in your mobile phones. Thanks friend. If you have desktop or laptop, you can open your Google Chrome browser. If you have mobile phone or smartphone, you can open your Google Chrome browser also, and any other browser you can open, but there may be problem in that process. So you have to choose Google Chrome browser for best performance. And you can see the search option in Google Chrome browser, such as you can see here. Type the URL, just type Fit India, okay. You can see here I have typed the Fit India option, and okay, just typing, just search the Fit India option in your browser, okay. After searching, you can see like this type of interface in your mobile phone or desktop. In first option you can see Fit India Be Fit, and the website was written there fitindia.gov.in. You have to click on that option in the first option of your interface. Fit India, after clicking that, you can see on your screen like this type of interface, and you have to see like Fit India dashboard, Fit India School Week, and Fit India Cyclothon. In that line, in the color of blue, deep blue, and you can see here login or register option. You have to choose the login and register option and click on that option. After clicking that option, you can see here new to site, create an account, and email username, password, and captcha code, and other login option. You have to choose. If you are new to the Fit India website, you have to create an account for the next performance. And I will suggest you, and I will give you the proper guide, that in this video I will just give you the information how to create, how to register your school in Fit India. But if you want to get certificate, then you have to follow the next video, which you can get through my link, which I was given in the description. And you have to follow the create an account option here. After create an account, you will see that already have an account login option. You have to avoid that, and register as other and ministry. You will see in your interface, and you have to choose other option which was already chosen in your smartphone or your desktop, and you have to choose, and you have to click on the select option and select your category of your organization, like school, youth club, individual, group, incorporate, NGO, CRPF, etc. If you are a teacher, if you are working for your school, then you have to choose school option. After that, you have to mention your school name and UDICE number. You know that UDICE number starting with your state code, like 2 digit, 2112, like according to your state. And after that, you have to fill up email option. Email option, you can give your school email ID, or you can give your personal ID, but betterment result you have to give your school email ID for next future query. And next that, you have to put your mobile number. You should give your HM or principal mobile number for registration. You have to remember on it. Then you have to choose your state, which state under which states belong, which your school belongs to which state. You have to fill up with this state name. Because I am from Odisha, so I filled with the option with Odisha. And you have to choose your district name, and your district name you have to fill up it according to your residence. And after that, here you can see password. Password, you know that your password should be with minimum 8 character, or you have to put password as one capital letter, or capital letter, small letter with numbers. You can put as a special character. I will suggest you a password such as my school name, such as I put school name as Odisha. I put as Odisha. You can see I here I will type for your knowing. Okay, just WDISH Odisha at the rate 123. You can give this type of password in your password section, and you have to put the password as re-enter the password which was put the first time in your password section. After that, confirm your password by putting the same password, and after that you can see the captcha code, captcha text, and you have to copy this captcha text in the right side box, such as here you can see small m double capital E. I write small m double capital E, letter that small o 87. Here I put small o 87. Okay, you can see small o 87 here. Then after that you will click on the option sign up option. Okay friends, I left one option there, that after filling of the district name you have to fill your block name as well your village, town or city name, which by your school belongs to which city or town or village. Thank you friends. After that, you can see after clicking the sign up option, you can see here that there are 4 options are there in your interface, such as Fit India School Certification, Fit India School Week 2020, My Events and My Event Pics. If you want to get the certificate or school flag, Fit India flag, then you have to fill up these 4 options, and I will give you a proper guide the next video how you can get the certificate of Fit India. Thank you friends, and keep tuned with us. Thank you.